I don't reckon we're going to get anybody coming in tonight. So we've got the darkness down, so we've got to do some work.
Yeah, we need to fix that hole in the trench. For
Certainly need to
starters.
fix that hole
It's
in the trench.
dangerous.
Yeah, and there is also one or two bits of wire that need repairing in no man's land.
Yeah,
Now, we really need to get some men onto that.
yeah, we do.
How many men do you think it would need to do it?
Don't know what to fix that spot
Yeah,
down there.
Yeah,
4 or 5.
yeah.
We get the timber in.
But the trouble is, if we put too much light in there, we're going to be a target, aren't we?
I know. So
Yeah.
they're going to have to work quickly,
Yeah,
and we're just going to have to keep the light right down.
yeah. It's going to be quite difficult.
Yeah, it is.
The other thing is that these men, some of them haven't eaten all day.
I know. No one wants to be fighting on an empty
No,
stomach.
the straw box didn't come through.
Right.
And yesterday it was jolly cold anyway. So we need to make sure we get some food in them.
Yeah, definitely.
And
Something
yeah,
hot, something stew like.
yeah, okay, possibly. Have you got any something we can put into it? Have we
There
got
might
any?
be a bit of mutton lying around somewhere.
Okay, that would be good.
Yeah.
A decent bit of mutton.
Yeah, yeah.
They're one or two sheep that we had a bit of an accident. Really.
We won't tell them that.
No,
it's
no,
fine.
don't tell
as long as
anybody
they
that.
don't know, it's
No,
fine.
no, no, no.
Just,
No. But anyway, it's going to be a really good night, but it's going to be pretty cold.
it's going to be cold, so
yeah. So we'll get these men wrapped up.
cool.
Yeah.